Hey Natural Health Fam! Want to wake up feeling refreshed and full of energy every morning? Tired of those extra pounds holding you back from looking and feeling fit and healthy? Ready to supercharge your immune system and keep sickness at bay? Well, if that's you, then this simple morning ritual sipping lemon ginger water on an empty stomach is your game changer. I'm David, your go-to guide for natural living here on Natural Health, and today, in just 5 minutes, I'm spilling the scientific secrets of this golden elixir, walking you through the easy step-by-step recipe, and sharing real-life success stories that'll blow your mind. You ready? Stick around till the end, 'cause I've got a bonus recipe twist just for you that'll have you ditching that coffee for good and making this your lifelong habit. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop "I'm ready" in the comments. Let's dive in. First up, it turbocharges your digestion like a rocket. When you sip this on an empty stomach first thing, lemon citric acid balances your stomach pH and gets things moving. Ginger's gingerol compound fights bloating and cuts down on gas. Science backs it. A meta-analysis of 10 studies found folks who drank lemon ginger regularly saw their digestive issues drop by 30%. Imagine starting your day with a flat, comfy belly before breakfast. If mornings leave you feeling sluggish down there, this is your new best buddy. Benefit 2. It turns your body into a natural detox machine. Lemons packed with vitamin C to cleanse your liver and flush out toxins. Ginger's antioxidants dial down inflammation. According to a 2022 review, this duo neutralizes free radicals to protect your cells, echoed in Harvard Medical School level research. Waking up to this water is like sweeping out last night's junk. Your skin glows, your energy soars. Skip the pricey detox fads. Your kitchen's got all you need right here. Third secret, it helps melt away those stubborn pounds. Ginger's thermogenic kick revs your metabolism by 5 to 10%, so you're burning more calories without trying. Lemon's fiber keeps you feeling full and blocks fat storage. One study showed people on a 12-week lemon ginger routine dropped an average of 2 to 3 pounds. Downing it first thing on an empty stomach sends that fat-burning signal to your body. On your weight loss journey, this is your magical kickstart. Fourth powerhouse, it makes your immune system rock solid. Lemon's sky-high vitamin C builds your defense against infections. Ginger's antiviral perks slash cold risk by 20%, backed by a study in the British Journal of Nutrition showing immune activation in models. This brew keeps you sickness-free even in winter. Post-pandemic, we're all craving that extra resilience, right? With this routine, viruses don't stand a chance at your door. Fifth miracle, it lifts your morning energy way more naturally than coffee. Ginger ramps up blood flow, and lemon's B vitamins wipe out fatigue. Studies show this mix balances cortisol, stress hormones, and sharpens your focus. One even reported a 20% bump in energy and mental clarity through internal cleansing. No more coffee crash later. Stay sharp and vibrant all day with this. Natural Health crew, let's clear that brain fog for good. Sixth gem, it brightens your skin from the inside out. Lemon's antioxidants boost collagen production, while ginger battles acne and inflammation. Dermatologists say consistent use ups skin moisture by 15%, all thanks to those powerhouse antioxidants in a recent review. Ditch the expensive creams with your morning routine. This elixir gifts you that radiant, Hollywood-level glow at home. Who wouldn't want celeb skin on a budget? Seventh and final win, it douses inflammation and eases your joints. Ginger's curcumin-like compounds cut chronic pain, and lemon's alkaline effect balances your body's acid load. The Arthritis Foundation notes this combo lightens joint swelling by 25%, proven in studies on osteoarthritis knee pain. Sipping it mornings means all-day freedom to move, especially once you hit your 30s. It's a must-have for staying agile. Now it's your turn. The recipe's a breeze. You can make a single glass or scale it up to a full liter bottle for sipping all day. I do the bottle version myself. Grab a bottle of water, slice up 1 lemon and squeeze the juice right in. Peel a chunk of fresh ginger, toss it in, and give it a good shake. Sweeten with honey or cinnamon if you like. I kick off my day with this powerhouse, then sip it whenever I get thirsty or think of it, but I finish the whole bottle by evening. Pro tip, go organic for max impact. Try it tomorrow morning and feel the difference. Let me share a quick real story. Natural Health fan Sarah, in her 40s, was battling morning bloating big time. She stuck with this routine for 2 months and dropped 4 pounds. Her energy exploded. I ditched my coffee, and my life totally shifted, she says. Drop your own story in the comments, let's inspire each other.